Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how we can use quantise to correct timing mistakes in a performance. So we should all know that music can be divided into bars and then further divided into halves of a bar, quarters of a bar and eighths of a bar. Well, Cubase can use these bar divisions as a reference for us to move or snap MIDI data to. So this can really help with tidying up a performance. So let's have a look at this performance that we recorded in earlier. So if you double click the MIDI event, this will take us into the MIDI edit page. Push 1 on your keypad to go to the beginning of the performance and push the space bar to play back. Ensure that the click is on so we have a timing reference so that we can look how accurate our actual performance was. Okay, so not too bad, but on a few instances our chords are a little bit too early, these two in particular. So this gives us a prime opportunity to tidy up the timing of this performance. So our quantise level is currently set to 1/16 of a bar, which means that every bar is subdivided into 16 equal parts. So what will happen when we quantise is that the MIDI notes or selected MIDI notes will be dragged to the nearest 16th of a bar division. So for example, with this chord here, we can see that these notes are a lot closer to this grid line than they are to this grid line. Therefore, I would assume that this note will actually be dragged a little bit too early because we'd actually like it on this quarter bar division here. So let's just have a look, see what happens. So I've selected all the notes that we want to quantise and then press Q. And yeah, as expected, this note has been moved a little bit too early. So this shows me that the quantise level that we have is a little bit too severe. So we might want to just undo that by pressing Command Z or Control Z if you're on a PC, and then changing our quantise level down to say quarters of a bar, and let's quantise again. Yeah, that looks a lot better. So if we have a listen back to how this sounds now, that's a lot more accurate.